You ready, kids? Aye, aye, Captain. Oh, here's the mail. It never fails. It makes me wanna wag my tail. When it comes, I like to mail. Hey. Hey, what's up, besties? Today we're gonna get into the jewel box unboxing for the month of, what is this, April? Is this April month? Is this March? April? Lord Jesus. We get into the latest subscription box, okay? My sis Erica sent me this box and I'm so excited to open it up with you guys. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the box, okay? Because I'm so excited. I saw some sneaky peekies and it just really took me in. So let's open up the box. Open up that box. Open up that box. What you got in that box? I'm gonna be trying not to mess up this little sticker here. Okay. Ooh, Chalet. Come on now. I see what I like, and I like what I see. That's some old school for you. Y'all better get into that good Saturday morning old school blues. Okay, this already, sis, not prepared, was not ready, child. Okay, let's get some things straight. Let's start from the beginning. Okay, so we have some washi. It just looks like our, we're gonna bust it wide open. Let's bust it wide open. Why not, child? Why not? We right here right now. And if y'all hear something go off, it's my bacon in my air fryer. So don't come for me when that noise go beep. You know, we just gonna ride on past it and cook just a little bit longer when the beep go beep. Okay, this is the washi that we got this time. I'm trying to find, oh, okay, is this it right here? So you guys can see exactly what it looks like. You have to excuse my nail. Let's see. Okay, come on. You know you want to come off. You know you do. I see you wanting to come off of here. That means this is gonna stick. That's what that tells you. There's gonna be some good stick and washi. Okay, so this just has like the diamonds, like the jewels on top of it. Okay, that's cute. I'm here for it. Just a little rah-rah room. I wonder, could you color that in? That'd be cute too. All right, so then I think I'm gonna save the stickers for last. Let's get into these are, looks like they're the note cards, like the quote cards. Okay, let's look into here. All right, so this one says, oh, is that? 'Cause I'm still standing. Do y'all remember that Monica song? That is my jam. Okay, listen. Okay. Still standing. This is so stinking cute to me. Don't let their energy change you, queen. Yes. Your environment influences your experience. Make it a positive one. These colors are just giving me so much life. Hello, Jewel. Ooh. You're so hard on yourself. Take a moment, sit back, marvel at your life, and be proud of your growth. Come on now. That's one to keep with you all the time. 6 things you should never settle on. Your boundaries, your worth, what you want, how you live, relationships, and your health. Okay? 6 things I'll never settle on. Okay, I have settled in my past, but that's a good reminder. In order to love who you are, you cannot hate the experience that has shaped. Come on now. Now that's a word. Everything you've been through has had a purpose for it. So you have to appreciate it, love on it, and boom. I love that. I love that. Rest, queen. Oh, I had to do that here recently. She is healed. She is favored. She is restored. She is you. You better come on. Post your selfies for you. Doll up for you. Take naps for you. Eat good food for you. Make you happy. Don't give a damn about them, queen. Don't do it for them. Do it for you. Y'all better come. Listen. Forgive them. All of your them. The more thems you can forgive, the lighter you'll feel. Come on now. Set your vibration in the morning and watch your day go according to it. Look. Manifesting the love I want, manifesting the career I want, manifesting the happy I want. Listen, all of this is amazing. All of these cards, I love that. Oh my goodness, these are so inspirational. But let me tell you about the, okay, I'm gonna take, can I take a moment? Okay, go ahead, Shell, you can take a moment. My favorite one was the forgive them. all of your thems. So many times we get so focused on other people, the things that other people have done, and we tell people, oh, I forgive you, but I don't forget. Or maybe you say, I forgive you, but you really don't forgive the person. No, like, go ahead and forgive them. Let that go, because the longer you hold on to that, the longer you'll be around here angry. You can't see that person because you mad. You can't be in the same room. You can't be at the same function because you haven't forgiven them for yourself. It's not that people think sometimes, oh, if I forgive them, then that makes me look weak. No, you're forgiving them and being stronger because you're telling yourself, you know what? I saw what they did to me. I forgive them for that action, but that doesn't mean I have to accept that it's going to happen again. That just means I know how to move and shift and make things happen for myself. But you got to forgive all of the thems. Ooh, watch your weight get lighter. I'm trying to tell y'all. Ooh, that's my one right there. That's my one. Forgive the thems. You'll be all right. Okay. And then this one is so cute. Ooh, I love that this is the back card on here. And then we got our little die cuts. Come on. She cute. Okay. She cute. I like her. I like it. Okay. Now this is a dress, honey. This is a dress. I love it. That's me all day because I love a good off the shoulder. I think I told y'all that before. And I'm loving the longer hair. My hair is actually just a little bit right there. Like my real hair. Not my wig. My wigs. But that's cute. Oh. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait a minute. This girl? Yes, ma'am. This was Showstopper. I have to tell y'all about Showstopper one day. But, baby, this is Showstopper. This is who she was and what she embodied, baby. Because you couldn't tell her nothing. And I ain't have half the shape that this baby got. But, baby, that's an outfit. Now, this right here, this is my current state of mind. Just real classy. Show my legs off because I got long legs. She is me. I don't know her name, but we going to call her Michelle. Can we just call all of them Michelle? Because all of them embody something about me. Like this is me, just thick and curvaceous, good ponytail going on. Okay, I know I can't name all these folks me. Okay, I know that. That's all right. I'm gonna keep moving. All right, the still standing stickers. I'm here for that. Oh, so cute. These are gonna be perfect for my planner, y'all. Y'all don't even understand how excited I just got. Look at these dolls and the little planner, the K-Spade planner, and the K-Spade bag over here. Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Look at these. I'm here for the look. I'm here for the stickers. The doll stickers give me life every single time. Okay. And then we have our stickers, like a sticker kit. So, oh, she did that. There go Lily. Down at the bottom, y'all see Lily? Lily! Okay, she got her payday. She cooking. She's relaxed. She's working out, doing a grocery run, and cleaning the Chanel bag. Her shoes. Yes, y'all know I'm here for a good heel. Disconnect to reconnect. I love it. And then you have your date covers over here, some side washi. And then over here you have your to-do list, your trackers, and some scripts down here at the bottom. Pay your bills, birthday journal, stuff like that. I love this. I'm going to do this in my Notique because I know it's about to be lit, y'all. I can't wait for next week. Okay, I might plan next week, this week, for this week, next week. Like, I'm here for this. It's so cute. This is what we needed. And I didn't know I needed it. Like, I'm here for it. All right. Okay. And then we got our papers. Y'all know I love my papers. Okay, so on one side, I love that you get two of each, and on the different sides are different things, right? So you have your hearts on this side, and then now I kind of like this. Am I weird? I don't know what pattern this is, but it's really cute. I like that a lot. Okay, and then this one you have like your. It's not chevron. Okay, we're gonna pretend like I said what it was, but it's real cute. And then on the back you have a marbled feel. Now that is marbled. Okay, I like that. She likes that. And then you have your X's on one side, and then more of like that marbly grayscale look. So I love it. So the colors this time are right up my alley. Very neutral, very, you know, unique. I'm just, y'all, this box, she did that. She came with it. And I want to say, like, the quote cards, probably absolutely did this for me, because it puts you in a mood or a place where you can look at yourself and talk to yourself as a queen. And I think anytime we get to queen talking, that queen lifestyle, I think you start growing and you'll see growth in yourself. So I'm absolutely here for this, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed the jewel box. If you guys have not signed up, please make sure you go sign up for my sister's box. Like, you are in for an absolute treat. It is by month. See, there it go. I told y'all it is bi-monthly. It's not every month, so I know we're on a, you know, a little bit of a crunch right now, but just in case you were wondering, it is bi-monthly. You can find the link down below in the comment section. Y'all, I'm like over the moon, over the top right now for all of this goodness. Like, sis, you really did that. Like, you did a thing, and I'm here for it. I love it. I love it so much. Okay, I'm gonna try to get off of here without like trying to take these stickers and go in and stick and stuff, because I gotta get my bacon out. Okay, I love you guys in real life. I hope you have enjoyed this review. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah! KK, bye! I might have to do my nails like that. That's cute with these colors.